I'm going to tell you the one thing I did to homeschool successfully, and it's probably not what you think. It's time for some girl talk. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Cherie Lynette. I'm a homeschool mom. I've been homeschooling my babies for 8 years now, and I share tips and advice on homeschooling as well as weekly vlogs of everything that we do throughout the week. So make sure to subscribe and follow along. The suspense is over. The one thing that I did to help me homeschool successfully and happy was I stopped caring about what other people think. Some of you are probably like, girl, that's it. But listen, when I first decided to homeschool, I had been a teacher, so you would think that gave me the confidence and experience. It didn't. And I was terrified. I was terrified I was going to fail. I was terrified mainly because I was worried about anybody being able to say, yep, you shouldn't have put your kids out of school. Here's the thing, and this is with homeschooling, this is with life. When you step out of line of what people are mainly doing, what the majority of everybody's doing, and you decide to do something different, there's always going to be people trying to pull you back into line with everybody else. Stepping out of line is scary. It is terrifying. Because you know that these people who are trying to pull you back into this line are just waiting for the opportunity to say, I told you so, you should have stayed in line with us. And what's crazy is in my situation, I didn't even have family like that. As soon as I told my family that I wanted to homeschool, my mom, my sisters, my younger sister even was like, well, you homeschool my daughter too. My husband, like everybody was supportive. Everybody was on board. And I know everybody doesn't have that. So even for me, the people that mattered the most were like, yes, let's do it. Good. We got you. And I was still worried about people who are not in my household, who don't know my kids, don't know anything about us. I was still so worried about anybody being able to come up to me and tell me, yep, you shouldn't have done that. That's why your kid is struggling, or that's why this. The opinions of people I didn't even know I was afraid of. So that led into everything with how I built our homeschool, our day. So in the beginning, when my son and my niece are 4 and my daughter was 2, and we're sitting there and I'm like, okay, if somebody sees we're done with school so fast, like, I can't let that happen. Somebody's going to say something. They have to be in there for hours and hours because kids in traditional school are sitting there for hours and hours. And I'm basing everything and not realizing it, but I was basing everything off of if somebody came up to me and said something because I wasn't confident. I was confident in my decision. I knew I wanted to homeschool, but I wasn't confident enough in myself to stand up for my decision and handle any questioning from anybody. And so I continuously made decisions based off of what if somebody thinks this, or if what somebody says that, or if people would ask me questions. Instead of me sitting tall and confidently in my decision, I would over-explain myself. But you're going to even encounter it with other homeschool moms. I encounter it with other homeschool moms. Like once you get into the homeschool world, there's many types of homeschool moms, because as I always say, homeschooling is just parenting with subjects. And I don't parent in my household like you parent in yours. I always wanted a classroom for us. I just like having a designated space. So when other homeschool moms saw I had a classroom, there was plenty of them that had a lot to say. You're just copying the structure of traditional schooling. What's the point of homeschooling if you're going to have a classroom? I even had some ask me why my desks were facing the wall at some point. Like, I don't care what you do, somebody's going to have an opinion on it, but you have to be so confident in yourself and so like, this is what I'm doing for my family, and not care what anybody who doesn't matter thinks. If you are new to homeschooling or you're thinking about homeschooling right now, I want you to ask yourself, what thoughts or opinions of other people am I letting control the decisions that I'm making right now? And I want you to free yourself from it, because you're going to be shocked, because I didn't realize I was doing it. You're going to be shocked when you see just how many decisions that you're basing off of fear of what other people are going to think or other people are going to say, instead of basing it off of, okay, what do I think is best for my child? If you want to successfully and happily homeschool, then this is the one thing that was a game changer for me. It made me focus on me and my kids and shut out all of the outside noise. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you have any topics that you want me to cover on Girl Talk, go ahead and drop them in the comments. And if you're new to homeschooling or thinking about homeschooling, you can grab my free homeschool starter kit. I've put the link in the description, and make sure to subscribe so you can keep up with all the Girl Talk and follow along in our weekly vlogs just to see what we're up to. And I will see you guys next week.